Everybody, Coinbase just opened up the waiting list for Ethereum 2.0 stake holding. This is huge news for Ethereum, and we are going to see Ethereum spike up within the next couple of days to higher heights and possibly break all-time highs just within the next couple of days. It could be tonight, it could be tomorrow, but I am anticipating a huge breakout for Ethereum. Now stay tuned for the video. Make sure you stay until the end because I have some very important information on Ethereum. We're going to be breaking down Ethereum, some price targets, some price projections, and everything. So make sure you stay tuned. Guys, Ethereum is about $1,800 per coin, and this thing is about to go to the moon. Let me know in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below, at what price point did you get into Ethereum? I got into Ethereum around $400 or so. This was last year, and I was hoping that it would go up to 600, 700, 800, but it just kept going up and up and up. It was amazing. So let us know in the comments below at what price point you got into Ethereum. All right, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Miles with Miles G Investments, and I make videos on cryptocurrencies and stocks. So you need to make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any video that I put out there. I put out videos calling out big plays before they happen. So if you need information like that, if you need to know what is going on with the stock market or cryptocurrencies to help make you the most money, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video, because my videos are time crucial. I have been involved investing for over 12 years. I have a lot of experience. I've made a lot of mistakes, but I've made a lot of successes lately, and I am here to share that with you. All right, guys, make sure you join the free Discord. It is a chat group where you can talk with me. You can talk with hundreds of other people about stocks and cryptos. And don't forget about the Patreon. It is only $5 where I put out my private stock alerts and I show you my portfolio. So make sure you sign up. Without further ado, let's go ahead and break it down. All right, guys, make sure you stay to the end because I have some very important information and some price targets that we need to go ahead and talk about. But one of the pieces of news that we saw come out today is that Coinbase opens the waiting list for Ethereum 2.0 staking. So basically what that means is we can go ahead and just read a little bit of it. It says this upgrade will do away with proof of work mining in favor of staking. Typically you need about 32 ETH to run a validator node for Ethereum's new blockchain, but Coinbase will allow their users to stake any amount of ETH in their account. So basically what you can do is, instead of having to have 32 ETH to stake within the Ethereum network, Coinbase is allowing you basically to stake your ETH in Coinbase, where you can basically make a profit by just letting it sit on their exchange. So Ethereum 2.0 is allowing this. It's allowing people to stake ETH into the network, but Ethereum 2.0 is continuing to be rolled out in certain phases. And basically what it is that Ethereum is doing a massive overhaul and a massive update, which, to make a long story short, they're basically upgrading their network so that it's faster, that it's a lot more cheaper and effective. And we are seeing similar problems with Ethereum now with the ETH blockchain, but these upgrades are on the way this year and we are starting to experience them now. So that is going to be great for Ethereum, and that's going to be great for investors in Ethereum. All right, guys, there is a lot of price predictions for Ethereum, and a lot of people even believe that Ethereum can see $40,000 by the end of the year. I personally believe that we could at least see $20,000 by the end of the year, which is more than a 10x gain from this time to possibly November, December, who knows. But there is massive overhauls going to be happening to the blockchain networks, to altcoins, to Ethereum networks, and that is really going to bring this thing up. So I am super excited for that. So I am holding my ETH. I'm not selling it. I don't care if it goes down 20 or 30%. I'm just holding it for the ride because I believe that this thing is going to go to the moon at the end of the year. There's also a lot of price predictions, not just by random YouTubers, but financial analysts, experts in the industry, people that have billions of dollars that invest into Ethereum and Bitcoin. They truly believe, based on statistical analysis and a lot of statistics that they are looking at, that we could see 6-digit Ethereum in years from now, or even sooner. We're going to start to see big institutions like Visa and MasterCard accept payments of digital currencies such as Ethereum. We are seeing car dealerships. We are seeing places that are allowing the purchase of items with cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies are going to be the new way of banking. You can use actually collateral against Bitcoin without having to sell it to get cash. and the amount that your cryptocurrency grows as it continues to grow each and every week and month will pay off what you use to spend borrowing against your own cryptocurrency. So you can actually get loans with Bitcoin. You can actually get loans with Ethereum. And this is the future. This is something that Ethereum that you're trying to develop. This is something that Bitcoin and that institutions around the world are going to try to use to develop around these cryptocurrencies and upon and with these cryptocurrencies. So these things are going to be the way of the future. But what is most important is that we need to look at the relative short term for us who are trading it. For us who want to understand what is going on with Ethereum, what is next for Ethereum. So right now we're going to go ahead and break Ethereum down on a technical chart. All right, guys, what we can see now is we're seeing a technical chart, Ethereum US dollar, and we are looking at the 4-hour chart. And what we can see is ever since we came up basically from the $700 range, there was just a massive increase all the way into about $1,400. Then we saw a massive dip, a huge retracement to about $900, and we've been up all ever since. But there's a little bit of retracements, a little bit of retracement here, a small little retracement here. So what we can basically project is that since there wasn't a massive retracement, we're just a little bit of consolidating right here. It's possible that we could see a massive breakout into higher heights. And what we can see is if we can continue consolidating in this gray area, we're just going to remain in a consolidation. But I believe it's going to be crucial because we are nearly about to break out of this ascending channel that we could certainly break out and break the all-time high just within the next couple of days. It could be within the next couple of hours, but the all-time high is sitting around $1,900. And that is this green line that I drew right here. If we can break out of 1900 by the next couple of days, we could possibly push up into this 236 level, consolidate, maybe retrace back down and continue to consolidate, or break up to a next level and a next level and a next level. Or possibly my prediction is that we'll break out, consolidate, break out, consolidate, break out, consolidate, and have a little bit of corrections within those periods. So I believe, based on a technical chart, that within the next couple of days is going to be crucial for the Ethereum price. And I think that within the next couple of days, we could certainly see a breakout, especially with more volume, with this COINBASE news, with more volume being pumped into Ethereum, into Bitcoin, especially if Bitcoin breaks another high. We saw Bitcoin break another high over $50,000 last night. And if we can see Ethereum break out within the next couple of days, we could possibly see $2,100, $2,200, $2,300 within a week to 2 weeks. Because what we are seeing is that we are seeing massive rises. We basically saw $1,200 to $1,700, $300 to $400 moves within just a couple of days, so that we could certainly see another massive breakout. But there is going to be a time where altcoins, where Bitcoin, where Ethereum, we are going to see a massive parabolic rise. Another massive rise like we saw in November and December when we just saw Bitcoin and Ethereum going up and up and up. There was no entering lower prices. It was just going up and up and up. So I think that within the next couple of months, by this summer, we could certainly be to $2,500 to possibly $3,000 to $4,000 just within the next couple of months. And if Ethereum is projected to hit $30,000 to $40,000 by the end of the year, we are going to need to see such parabolic rises. Which, if we do see such parabolic rises, there is going to be a lot of FOMO. There's going to be a lot more retail investors getting in and jumping along for the ride. So along with the FOMO, along with these institutions, along with all these news coming out, along with all of these people and institutions and companies and businesses allowing and accepting cryptocurrencies, which is just the beginning. But if we can see all of this massive adoption within the next couple of months, or even just a little bit of this adoption, we are going to see Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins break higher highs than can ever be imagined. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just all for entertainment purposes. So if you like today's video, if you got value out of it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you are interested in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Make sure to join the free Discord and sign up for the Patreon. It's only $5 where I give you my personal finance consulting for only $5, and I show you my trades, I show you my portfolio and everything you need to know. So that's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.